Hey guys, welcome back. So today I come up with another video, and in this video I'm gonna solve another lab from Web Security Academy from the authentication module. And this lab is going to be lab number 10. And in this lab we will see about offline password cracking. So in the previous video we solved a lab in which we have the application have stay logged in feature, and once you choose the stay logged in option, it will provide you another stay logged in cookie, and that cookie actually construct with username and the MD5 value of the password, then it encoding with the base 64 of the complete string. So in this video, we are going to retrieve the stay logged in cookie from the session, and we will retrieve that cookie with the help of XSS vulnerability, that is cross-site scripting vulnerability. So this application basically vulnerable to cross-site scripting. So we will see in a minute, but before going to that, this warning as always for you. This video and its content are only for educational purpose, and I do not support any unethical or illegal act. So that's been said, let's jump to the lab. So offline password cracking. So we will take the stay logged in cookie, we will crack that cookie offline, and we will retrieve the password from that cookie, and then we will log in from the Carlos account. So agenda of this lab is, this lab stores the user's password hash in a cookie. The lab also contains an XSS vulnerability in the comment functionality. So we will cover uh, that specific module later, cross-site scripting, but in this lab we have a little vulnerability in the application, uh, in the comment functionality. So to solve the lab, obtain Carlos stay logged in cookie and use it to crack his password. Then log in as Carlos and delete his account from the My Account page. Fine. So let's go to the lab. So in this lab, we already have given exploit server. Basically, in the real scenario, what happened once you are going to uh, grab the cookie from other users, okay, by exploiting cross-site scripting vulnerability, at that instant, you need a web server or an exploit server. So suppose the application has a stored cross-site scripting vulnerability. So whenever any user visit to that portion or to that part of the application, and once he click the comment or something like that, so the user cookie automatically grabbed by the script, okay, that you already put in the comment functionality, and whenever it brings the comment, application brings the comment, so it brings from somewhere like from the database. So that script is gonna execute, and in that script whatever you mentioned, like to grab the session cookie for the current user logged in and that application, and that cookie is served to your server, and you can access, you can go to your exploit server and you can get that cookie, right? So we will see that demonstration here, but because here we do not publish any exploit server from ourselves, so this lab or the Web Security Academy, they provide us the exploit server. So if we click on that exploit server, you will find that craft a response and provide basically this URL. You can consider this, this is your, means this is the hacker exploit server, right? So let's see. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to just revise everything. So once I go to the My Account page, and I am going to enable the Burp proxy here, open the Burp proxy, and we have one Wiener account, so WIENER, and Peter, and I want to choose stay logged in option, logged in, and we got a post request. If you go to the post request, you will see Wiener, password is Peter, stay logged in is on, And in the response, you can see that application is redirecting us to /my account page, and it also set or assign one more cookie, that is stay logged in cookie. So once you grab this cookie, so I'm going to copy this, go to the decoder, paste that cookie and decode this cookie. So you will find that winner, and this is the password. So this password is basically MD5 hash value of the password, means Peter, right? So if you crack this MD5 hash, you will find its value is Peter, right? So same like that, we need to grab the Carlos cookie and we will then decode it, right? Now in this lab scenario, we will consider that, okay, uh, Carlos user already log in somewhere with the browser to that application. Now what happened, let's just log out from here, and no need for burp suite. Okay, so if we go to home page, we are already in home page, and if we come here, like any post, like here, interviews, and when we go down, we will find that many users are there. They make the comments on this post, but first of all, you need to be confirm that this portion or this specific part of application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting or not. So I'm going to say uh, script and alert XSS and script, right? Name is test, email test@test.com, website, this is optional, so post this. So once you post this, this comment is going to save in the database. So whenever you come to this post, this application is going to load all the comments whatever user made before. So among those comment, you also put your comment, and your comment is actually a script which calls alert function. So every time any user load this page, he will see this alert, right? So with that, I am sure that this portion or this comment functionality of this application is vulnerable to XSS, and especially which kind of XSS is. So this one is stored XSS. So your script is going to store somewhere, and whenever any user call this page, he will get this XSS, this alert, right? So again, I'm going back to home, and let's see, this time I'm going to visit this post, and you can see I visit this post, but we do not get any alert, right? Because uh, in these comments, I do not have my comment, right? So if we go back again and go to the same post interview, and once we go inside, you will see we got the XSS. So now if any user visit this page, he will, the our script is going to execute on this page. So we can of any application, and with that session cookie, I can log in without username, without password. I can log in to that session. Okay, so this lab given us this exploit server, so I'm going to copy this, find this URL. So go to your exploit server and access the log. So right now you can see this is the log, these are the logs only here. But once any user visited that post, you will get his cookie here. So okay, let's do this from here, from this post. Okay, so I'm going to make it like a script script, and the script is gonna be document dot location, and that location is equals to uh, that is my exploit server, right? And then plus document dot cookie, and I'm gonna close this, right? So test, test. So post this comment and go back to the same blog, and as you can see, resource not found Academy exploit server. So this is our server. It means this time if we refresh this page, so we should find something. And as you can see, this is the IP address, and we get a GET request. This is the secret key, and this is the stay logged in cookie, right? So if we take this stay logged in cookie, copy this, and we go here and paste this here. So as you can see, Carlos is the username, and this is the MD5 hash value of the password of Carlos user. So I'm gonna grab this, and we can go somewhere like, and I can do in two ways. I will show you both of the ways. So MD5 hash decode. Okay. So here we will put that. Okay, decrypt this, and as you can see, we found the password once upon a time. Another way how we can crack this is open the command prompt, and I'm going to create a new file, new page here. In the new page, I'm going to paste that hash, MD5 hash, and I'm gonna save it as Carlos uh, hyphen hash, enter, and I'm gonna come here, cd desktop authentication, and I'm gonna use John the Reaper. This is a tool to crack the password. So John, and the file name where you saved the hash. So the file name is Carlos hash, and hyphen w is equal to, and you need to give a word list of passwords. So user share and word list and rocku.text. So let's enter this, and it's first gonna detect which kind of password is that, which kind of hash is that, sorry. So it's saying maybe this or MD5, so the raw MD5, we can use this. Completed, so I can use it like hyphen hyphen show, and we don't need actually this. So hash 0 password hash is cracked, 2 left. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So space hyphen hyphen format uh, equals to raw hyphen MD5. Let's see. Okay, so session has completed, and this time it brings us the password. So you can crack with the John the Reaper, or you can also use the hashcat. So whatever you want to use, you can use, because a lot of time you will not get the password from the online tools. So it's better you know how you can use these tools to crack the password. So once upon a time is a password. I'm going back to the application, go back to the home page, and I'm going to log in Carlos, and password is once upon a time. Copy this, paste it here, and enter. So as you can see, we are in the Carlos account, and it said to complete the lab you need to delete the Carlos account. So delete the Carlos account. You want to delete account, so yes, I want to delete account, but it said you must enter the password here. So once upon a time, same password and delete, and we solve the lab. So this is the whole lab. So thank you very much for watching the video, and thank you very much for all your support. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. See you in the next video. Bye.